Hi everyone! Today we're uncovering a hidden gem in Silay City. Join me on this unexpected journey to Gary's place. We've just arrived at what looks like a secret entrance. The excitement is real. Being this enveloped in nature, one has to wonder, how easy is it to leave?
Paano kaya may makabalik sa the ruins na na-grab na masulubin he?
Ay, sa ruins po. No, wala po ma'am. Usually po, nagpapatid po sila sa bangga, ma'am.
Sa main road.
Let's take a sneak peek at the heart of Gary's place, its kitchen and staff. And here we have it, the Osso Buco that's a feast for the senses, and the chicken Inasal, a local favorite. As we dine, we're embraced by the whispers of the wind and the lullaby of water. As our afternoon retreat comes to a close, we leave with hearts full and spirits lifted. Thank you for joining me at Gary's Place. If you enjoy this slice of paradise, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to read the full story on my blog, link in the description below.